So hi guys, good evening. And previously we have already seen that how to import our local CSV file into our um, uh, HBase table using HappyBase. So today we are going to see how to load real-time stock data. Okay, real-time stock data through by using API. We are going to load our we are going to get our stock data, and that stock data we will be loading it into our HBase table. Yeah, perfect. So let's move to our program. You already know what step we have to go through, like we have to check our demons, is it running or not. So after that, if your demons is not running, so please run it by using start all .sh command. You have to run your Hadoop demons and HBase daemon. So after running that thing, you have to also run your Thrift server. So in previous video I have already mentioned how to do this thing. So next we will be starting. After starting our Thrift server, let's move to our programs. So in our programs, it is similar to our previous programs, but in our uh, but while putting that data, we are just changing a little bit of things. Like here I am providing a lot of things, like these things are just for loading my API key. So for the security purpose, I have used env file, and rest of the things are similar with our previous things. Okay, so and for getting that livestock data, we are using a request. Okay, that request is used to connect our HTTP server with that alpha Vantage server. Okay, so firstly, you already know we have to create connections, and after creating a connection, so we will be creating table. Okay, here table I am mentioning, I am using real Reliance stock data. So here what we can do is that we have to create a table, okay, based on our real-time stock data. Okay, based on upon that columns, we are going to create that much column only. Okay, so in our livestock data, we have total 5 columns. So I have created 5 columns family, okay, for my Reliance stock data. Okay, so after creating this table, just run this program and it will successfully create our table. Okay, like here I will show you my table name, that is Reliance stock data. Okay, let me fire command list, and here you can see Reliance stock data is here. I have already created and loaded data, so I will be showing you just from here. Okay, so then after that we have to create a connections, and we have to also connect with our table, that is Reliance stock data. Okay, so after that, what we have to do is that you can get your API keys. Okay, previously in my film videos and also in Kafka videos, I have already mentioned how to get your API keys, and I have also mentioned about this URL things. Okay, so you can check out that video if you want. Other yeah, I will be explaining in fast. Okay, so here I am providing just a link, okay, HTTP address, okay, that you will be getting from Alpha Vantage website. So you can go there and get your API keys and this documentation. Okay, here I am using time series, okay, weekly data, okay, of Reliance stock. So after providing this URL, we will be using this request sessions, okay, for getting that data. Okay, and I am just providing I am just loading my data, okay, into this download, okay, variable, and by using as that sessions.get, and we will just providing our URL, and it will face out that stock data. Okay, so after that we will be decoding that data by using a decoder. So using this decoder, it will just remove our byte data into string, so string format. So after that we'll be using CSV reader, okay, to remove to make it as a CSV file. So by providing split lines and delimiter, we will be just making our data clean. Okay, so after that, here in I am providing next function. So what is this function is that you have to provide these functions to just skip our header file. Okay, in our header file there will be open like the things like open, high, low, close, volume, and our timestamp. Okay, if to actually we don't want to put that things into our table, so I just skip that row and it will start from second row. Okay, so after that I am just using for loop to iterate through our data. Okay, so after that it's similar to our previous commands, like we will be just giving our row number. Okay, that means from our list. Okay, I am just fetching my data. Okay, like from it will in by putting row 0, it will fetch me our timestamp data. Okay, it is first data from our list, and to get second from second value we will be just providing 1, and for third value 2, the fourth value 3, fifth value 4, and sixth value 5. Okay, so like that we will get our data, and we will be pushing it through our to our table. Okay, then after that we will just displaying this data. Okay, you already know that things. Okay, how to display that things. I have already mentioned we have to create connections, and we have to also create connection with our Reliance stock data. Okay, so here let me show you my output. Here also scan uh, stock data. So here you can see I have total 875 rows of data. Okay, in records. Okay, so here you can see this is the time step I am calling that we have provided like here in the row format, so that is it is coming in there in as a row, and in our column family we will be getting our values like open, high, low, close, volume. Okay, and then those values are years. So in our terminal also we can get that data by using display all data and table data. So here you can see our output is here. Okay, so that's it for this series video. Okay, we will be going through more videos in upcoming days. Okay, for now that's it. Bye bye.